Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
With the day just left for the Bhumi Pujan in Ayodhya, the temple town on the banks of river Saryu, the Ayodhya administration is not leaving any stone unturned to make the program a success and to make it safe for Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other dignitaries who will be attending the function tomorrow. Prime Minister Narendra Modi in all his addresses to the nation has always emphasized on 2 gaj ki duri, which is 6 feet. However, the Ayodhya administration has gone a step forward and said that they will be maintaining a distance of 8 feet between the seats that will be arranged for the function. At the same time, they have also carried out fumigation, sanitization, and they are also ensuring that all the workers who are currently working today at the venue, at the pandal, they are wearing masks. There is a monitoring team that has been constituted that is working round the clock in 2 shifts to ensure that everyone keeps their masks on. Not only this, they have also made it clear that only hot water or warm water will be served to all the invitees, and they have also pointed out that they will be keeping stock of masks in case the other dignitaries who are attending the function, they are not seen wearing a 3-layered mask. They will ensure that that is provided to them. Apart from this, monkey menace and the stray cattle issue is another one that has been keeping the Ayodhya administration on their toes. For this, the district magistrate of Ayodhya, Mr. Jha, has given clear instructions that monkeys have to be fed at a different place so that they remain there, and at the same time stray cattle also have to be rounded off. According to sources, Chief Minister Adityanath has also given strict instructions to the security personnel not to breach social distancing norms by seeking selfies with the dignitaries. And at the same time, he has also pointed out that coronavirus is a major threat and all safety measures have to be in place. Well, the pressure on the Ayodhya administration to not leave any scope for laxity increased over the past few days, with several high-profile leaders such as Home Minister Amit Shah and Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa testing positive for the novel coronavirus. On 30th July, 4 police personnel and an assistant priest had also tested positive. Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, also conducted a review meeting on Monday to take stock of the situation, and the Ayodhya administration says right now everything is in place to ensure the program is not only a success but is safe too. This is Neelam Pandey with Suraj Singh Bish reporting from Ayodhya for The Print. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel.